In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to find and then send your Shopify store link to others. This process is quite straightforward and is something that can be accomplished in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First off, you're going to need to locate your store's link. To do this, you'll first have to log into your Shopify admin. Please make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you will find an option labeled as Settings, and you'll want to click on that. This will lead us to a new page with a number of different settings for us to deal with, but you should keep your focus on the one that says Domains. You'll want to click on this Domains feature now. After clicking, you'll land on a page that lists your store's current domain. If you're not well versed in the tech jargon, this may sound complex to you, but it's simply the technical term for your store's link or URL. This URL is listed right at the top of the page, and it's what you'll need to copy. So go ahead and copy it right now. There are various ways to do this, but the simplest is usually to just right-click on it and then select Copy from the menu that pops up. Now that we have our URL copied securely, we move on to the second part of our tutorial, which is to send this link to others. To do this, our first step is to open the platform where we wish to send the link. This can be your email, a messaging app like WhatsApp or Messenger, or a social media platform such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Whichever platform you pick, just make sure it's open and ready to receive your link. Once you have your platform open, you would want to paste the URL you just copied into your message. This can usually be accomplished by right-clicking within the message box and then selecting Paste from the menu. Or you can use the keyboard combination of Ctrl+V if you're on a Windows system, or Command+V if you're on a Mac. After pasting your link, the final step is to send or post the message to share the link with others. Typically, on most platforms, you'll find a button labeled Send or Post or something similar. Click on that and voila, you have successfully shared your store link. By following these simple steps, we have completed the process of finding and sending your Shopify store link. This seamless process allows you to keep others in the loop about your store. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you carry out these steps, the easier it will be for you to repeat them in the future. Enjoy the world of Shopify with full confidence.